Oh.
Oh yeah, that's a male.
It's a red bird.
It's a cardinal.
And I got it on cam. Another one. Oh. These are all the birds, I guess.
Here's all the different birds here.
What's this? Oh, you can see that. Hey, Mom. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, my mom's a little cringe. What is this, a camera? Something. Oh. Could you look?
Sit down.
Feels like the eye doctor.
It's a magnifier. Next thing's the bigger one. So you look through here.
Do you hear?
Yeah, with your eyes, not the tablet. Do you see anything?
Maybe if you took his glasses off.
Not really. No.
I don't know how long it works. Oh, I don't even know how this works.
I forgot what this place called. Oh. Oh.
Careful, Jeremiah.
Stop. Spin. Scoop out. Want to go upstairs?
I guess. Yeah.
So what's this say? As of August 10th, as seen in the park, groundhogs, golden finch, that's my favorite. Is it?
Really show it?
Groundhog.
Morning doves, we got a lot.
Is that water?
All these people that don't know. Take a picture of this real quick. Oh, sweet thing.
Restroom back there. Water fountain.
What does these do?
Yeah.
Oh, this moves actually.
There's now.
Yeah, there's a cardinal now.
Come on, mothers and birds.
Aww. Scaring the birds. Oh, wait. One bird. He's sitting right there. Follow me. Oh, now I know. Yeah, I don't know where they go. Ooh, we should go downstairs. Ooh, elevator. Miss Ellie.
Did we lose our tour guide?
No, push one.
Exhibits, staff only lobby.
Spring.
Exhibits.
Three.
We're on 3 now. Go to exhibits 1, I guess. We can't go any higher than that.
Where are we at?
We're on 3. Sit right there.
How are you on
She said to go upstairs.
It says staff only. Exhibits are downstairs here.
Well, yeah, they got a stairway to go down, but she said to take the elevator.
That came out of one ear and the other ear. Dang, this is smooth. Ooh, look at that. Shit. What is this? Wait, what is this? Dude. was not expecting that. That's right. Mommy, should I post this?
Go for it. Yeah. That's something different.
Did you allow me?
Yes.
What these? Yeah, I was not expecting that. What is this? This got lips on it? What is that?
Here's one of my favorites.
Oh, he's
That's
so
a
cute.
Baltimore Oreo.
She or he? I don't know where it is. Ooh, what is that over there? Ooh. Ooh. What is this? Here. Sorry, you couldn't see. Oh. Oh. What? This bag.
Northern green frog, listen. Makes that sound? Well, he's annoying. They're at the...
What is this? What is this? Ouch. It's moving. No. Let's stop. See what this is. Did you just say Justin Bieber? Hate raccoons. Let me see. Alright, let's not talk about that.
At one time.
That's what it felt like. Ooh, that felt good though.
They got fur.
Oh.
This is a beaver. Oh no. I think beavers have fur like that.
Ooh. Look at that beavers.
These are possums. These you see all the time. These nasty things. What are possums for?
I don't know.
Growls.
Drop the beaver now.
Look.
So it's nasty.
Google it.
Ooh, this feels good.
I should.
Ooh.
Here's a skunk. Yeah. Him I recognize.
Skunks. What is this? Oh my god. So you got samples.
Oh, stump, yeah.
What is this? Pouch snails? Is it inside of this? I'm out. Scary. Alright, y'all. Hold on. So So I guess this place, oh, pretty good. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all later. I mean, if this video gets 30 views, then, you know, do a part 2, probably. So.